Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best use of funds acquired via uncapped funding. When you secured uncapped funding, whether it's from a venture capital firm, an angel investor, or a strategic partner, you've essentially been given a tremendous amount of trust and flexibility. I've seen firsthand how this can make or break an early stage company. The common mistake is treating it like a standard war chest for everything. It's not. My core philosophy on this, based on experience, is that these funds should be laser focused on three things: scaling the proven, de-risking the future, and securing top-tier talent. 1. Scaling the proven growth engine. Don't use uncapped funding to wildly experiment. Use it to accelerate what is already working and generate measurable traction. Massively invest in sales and marketing. Infrastructure for scale. 2. De-risking the future product. Uncapped funding gives you the freedom to invest in high-impact, long-term R&D that might scare off typical investors looking for quick returns. Deep R&D and innovation. Acquisitions. 3. Securing and retaining top-tier talent. In an uncapped funding scenario, your biggest constraint isn't cash, it's human capital. You need the absolute best minds. Premium compensation. Culture and retention. The fundamental point is this: uncapped funding is a test of your discipline. Don't spend it to look good. Spend it to be unassailable. Focus every dollar on creating maximum competitive advantage and extending your leadership position. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.